Hello and welcome to another AQA GCSE 8300 series revision video. This is the June 2017 past paper. It's the third paper in the higher tier. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. And we're picking up in question 15, which reads, the graph shows the depth of water in a harbour for 12 hours. D is the depth of water in a harbour in metres. T is the number of hours after 9 AM. Okay, so we've got our little graph. And 15A says, for how many of the 12 hours is the depth more than 5 metres? So this is really just reading this off from the graph, isn't it? So this is 5 metres. So long as the curve is over 5 metres, we can count the hours. So just make sure that we know what the 5 metre mark is. So this is the 5 metre mark. So the graph dips below 5 metres after 7 hours. So for 7 hours the depth of water is greater than 5 metres, but then at the 11th hour it comes back up over 5 metres, so there's 1 hour between 11 and 12 that it's over 5 metres. So that's 7 hours plus 1 hour is 8 hours. So that's 8 hours. And 15B says, by how much does the depth change between 12 noon and 4 PM? Okay, so where's 12 noon on the graph? T is the number of hours after 9 AM. So this is 9 AM. So 1 is 10 AM. 2 hours after 9 AM is 11 AM. So 3 hours after 9 AM is 12 noon. So this is 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM. So the 7 hour mark is 4 PM. And we did want 4 PM. Yes, I did read it right, it's 4 PM. So we want to know how much does the depth change between 12 noon, which is 3 hours after 9 AM. So at 12 noon the depth is 8 metres. I'm just going to write down 8 minus, and now at 4 PM that's 7 hours after the start of the graph. That's at 4 PM. We can read off 5 metres. So that's 8 minus 5. So that's 8 metres minus 5 metres. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. So by how much does the depth change between 12 noon and 4 PM? That's 3 metres. Or we could say negative 3 metres because it's gone down by 3 metres. But it's just saying how much has it changed by. It doesn't say whether it's gone up or down. So it's changed by 3 metres. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your